Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create link to Skype call. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I've done right here. Now, what exactly is Skype? Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's really hop into today's text, which is how to create link to Skype call. From this home screen, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen, and you're going to find these options here at the top corner: chats, calls, contacts, and today. So head over to contact. This is where we are, and select the contact that you want to create a link or you want to call. So at this point, I'm going to use a group chat because it's pretty much easier for you to create a link to a call using group chats. Okay, so for individual call, just go ahead and schedule your call, and once you schedule your conversation, that's just going to be it. So you necessarily don't need to create a link to that. So head over to group chat, and this is the group chat I created. This fun chat with Amy, and I want to of course start my call and invite people using the meeting link. So this is it. Top right corner, go ahead and click on start call, and once you click on start call, I'm just going to have to do that and click on start call. So this is the call. So if I want to create a group chat for this, I'm just going to head over to this bottom where you have this invite option. So go ahead and click on invite. So now I can copy link to this call. All right, and this is default email. Send it to email, send it to Outlook mail, send it to Gmail, Facebook, and whatever. So if I want to enable or create a link to the Skype call, I'm just going to have to toggle this on. But if it's toggled off, then it means you cannot create a link for that. So go ahead and toggle it on, and the link is going to be available. So go ahead and click on this copy link option, and once you copy this link option, that's going to be it. Then you can now send people. So you can see the link has been copied. All right, so the link has been copied, and you can now share, paste it and share as much as you can. So again, copy the link, and once you copy the link, you'll be able to share to different people to join this particular call that you have created. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can create link to Skype call. Now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.